A quadrilateral which has both line and rotational symmetry of the order more than 2 is here. There are many quadrilaterals, but the important is you have to choose from whatever is given to you, right? So these four are given, you have to choose. Otherwise, if you choose hexagon, octagon, they have more lines of symmetry for rotational as well as line symmetry also. See these figures. But remember, these figures are only for line symmetry. We want two symmetries, right? Line as well as rotational. So the figure given, this figure given is for line symmetry only. Rotational symmetry we have to imagine. Now how to imagine? First check line symmetry. More than 2 it should be. Sphere, square, yes, more than 2. If you fold it from any of these lines, it will look the same. Rectangle only 2. This rhombus 2 only. Then kite remain, these all we don't want. Parallelogram, no line of symmetry. So line symmetry, square is more than 2. Now rotational symmetry. Now what is rotational symmetry? In my earlier video I have explained it in details. Okay. So just remember rotational symmetry. For any angle less than 360, if you rotate this figure, then it should look the same. For this square, if you rotate it through 90 degrees, so it will look the same. So how many lines of symmetry? This orders of symmetry, 360 upon minimum angle through which it can be rotated, so it should look the same. Kindly follow my earlier video given on this. So 360 upon 90, that is 4 orders of symmetry for rotational symmetry. Okay. So the answer